Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a video that's going to blow your mind and ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to amass incredible wealth and create a life of abundance? Well, get ready to dive into the stories of these remarkable individuals who defy the odds and achieved financial success beyond imagination. They did not just dream big. They took action and turned their dreams into reality. In this video, we will be uncovering the secrets behind their success. We will explore the 7 strategies they utilize to build their fortunes, strategies that you can implement in your own life to achieve financial independence and create a future of abundance. But before we dive in, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. We are all about empowering you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to make your own mark on the world. Alright, now that you're all set, let's jump into these intriguing tales of individuals who use these 7 strategies to get rich. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to reach for the stars. Strategy number 1 coming right up. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, is one smart cookie when it comes to building wealth. Now, you might think he made his billions through complex and risky investments. But guess what? He's actually a big fan of keeping things simple. Buffett has repeatedly emphasized the power of low-cost index funds. Yeah, you heard that right. Index funds. And you know what? They are pretty darn reliable. See, Warren Buffett believes in the long-term potential of the stock market. He understands that trying to beat the market consistently is like finding a needle in a haystack. So instead, he suggests investing in low-cost index funds that give you broad exposure to the overall market. He believes in the power of staying invested for the long haul and letting the market work its magic over time. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to grow your wealth, take a page from Warren Buffett's playbook and consider adding low-cost index funds to your investment portfolio. It's a strategy that has stood the test of time and can help you on your journey to financial success. Alright folks, let's talk about the second intriguing individual who knows a thing or two about getting rich. The one and only Barbara Corcoran. You might recognize her from the hit TV show Shark Tank, but before that, she made waves in the real estate world. She co-founded the Corcoran Group, a powerhouse real estate brokerage firm right in the heart of New York City. And guess what? She eventually sold that bad boy for a massive amount of money. But what's her secret to success? Well, Barbara's success lies in her keen eye for spotting potential in the real estate market and beyond. She's a master at finding hidden gems and turning them into profitable ventures. Since then, Barbara has continued to make her mark as a successful investor, author, and motivational speaker. Whether it's investing in promising startups or sharing her invaluable wisdom through books and speaking engagements, Barbara knows how to make those dollars multiply. Now for the third one, let's dive into the world of fine art with the fascinating tale of Peggy and David Rockefeller. You might have heard of the Rockefeller family, known for their immense wealth and philanthropic endeavors. Well, these two took their passion for art to a whole new level. These art aficionados spent years curating an extraordinary collection that would make any art lover weak at the knees. We are talking about works by the absolute masters of the art world. Picasso, Monet, Matisse, just to name a few. Their collection was a treasure trove of priceless masterpieces. But here's where it gets even more exciting. In 2018, the Rockefeller art collection made headlines when it went up for auction. Can you guess how much it fetched? Brace yourselves, my friends, because we are talking a jaw-dropping, record-breaking total of $832 million. That's enough zeros to make your head spin. Imagine having the eye for art and the means to build such an extraordinary collection. Peggy and David Rockefeller truly had an impeccable taste for beauty and a deep appreciation for the arts. Their collection not only brought them joy and fulfillment, but also made a significant impact on the art world. Now, delving into the world of rare coins for the fourth one, it's the incredible story of Louis E. Ellisberg Sr. If you thought collecting coins was just a hobby, think again. Louis Ellisberg Sr. is widely hailed as the greatest coin collector in American history. He embarked on a monumental quest to complete the first ever collection of US coins by date and mint mark, aiming to acquire every single coin ever minted in the United States. Talk about a serious coin enthusiast. Ellisberg's passion for rare coins led him on a thrilling treasure hunt, scouring auctions, dealers, and fellow collectors to find those elusive pieces that would make his collection truly exceptional. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. After years of dedicated collecting, Ellisberg's effort paid off in a big way. The Ellisberg collection was put up for sale. Can you guess how much it fetched? Well, hold onto your seats because the final hammer price reached over $50 million. That's right, my friends, a staggering sum that would make any collector's heart skip a beat. Louis Ellisberg Sr. proved that rare coins are not just pocket change. They can be incredibly valuable asset. His relentless pursuit of completing the ultimate collection allowed him to turn his hobby into a fortune. For the second to the last, let's dive into the captivating world of franchises and uncover the story of Warren Rosenthal, a true franchisee extraordinaire. Get ready for a delicious adventure into the world of Subway. Warren Rosenthal, a name that resonates with success in the franchising industry, has made a mark as one of the most prominent and accomplished Subway franchisees. With his keen business acumen and entrepreneurial spirit, Rosenthal recognized the potential of the Subway brand and seized the opportunity to bring the popular sandwich chain to multiple locations. What makes franchises like Subway so appealing? Well, for starters, they offer a proven business model and a recognizable brand, which can provide a head start for aspiring entrepreneurs. Franchises often come with established marketing strategies, training programs, and ongoing support, reducing some of the risk typically associated with starting a new business from scratch. By investing in franchises, individuals like Warren Rosenthal tap into a system that has been fine-tuned over time, allowing them to benefit from the collective expertise and resources of the franchisor. This allows franchisees to focus on executing the business plan and delivering a consistent experience to customers, ultimately driving profitability and growth. Warren Rosenthal's success with the Subway franchise is a testament to the possibilities that franchising can offer. So, whether you are craving a delicious sandwich or considering your own journey into the world of franchising, take inspiration from Warren Rosenthal's story. Franchises can be a gateway to success, offering a proven path to entrepreneurship and the opportunity to be part of a well-established brand. But before we go into the final strategy, I want to hear from you. What do you think of the captivating tales we have explored so far? Have you been inspired by the investment wisdom of Warren Buffett or the entrepreneurial journey of Barbara Corcoran? Maybe you have your own unique strategy for getting rich that you would like to share. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts, insights, or personal experiences, and I can't wait to read your comments and continue the discussion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more intriguing content. Your engagement and support mean the world to me. Now, let's get back to unraveling the last strategy that completes our fascinating journey of wealth creation. And now, we arrive at the final chapter of our intriguing tales of individuals who have used these strategies to get rich. Prepare to enter the world of timberland investment as we unravel the remarkable story of John D. Morris, a true self-made success. What began as a small tract of land grew into a vast empire of timberland, propelling him to great financial heights. Morris's journey to wealth began with a keen eye for undervalued timberland. Recognizing the potential inherent in these often overlooked assets, he sees the opportunity to acquire such properties at favorable prices. Through careful research, meticulous analysis, and a deep understanding of the timber market, Morris strategically built his portfolio. But it did not end there. Morris's success can be attributed not only to his acquisitions, but also to his effective management of the timber resources. He implemented sustainable forestry practices, ensuring the long-term growth and viability of his investments. By optimizing harvesting schedules, practicing responsible land stewardship, and capitalizing on the appreciation of timber resources, Morris maximized the potential returns from his timberland holdings. The allure of timberland investment lies in its unique characteristics. Unlike traditional real estate, timberland offers a renewable and appreciating asset, providing both income and potential capital appreciation over time. As the demand for timber resources continues to rise, those who have invested wisely like John D. Morris have reaped substantial rewards. So as we conclude our exploration of these intriguing tales, we leave you the inspiring story of John D. Morris, a self-made timberland investor who transformed his passion for trees into a thriving empire. His tale serves as a reminder that opportunities for wealth creation exist in the most unexpected places, waiting to be discovered by those with a vision to see their value. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the stories of individuals who have used these strategies to get rich. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap that like button, and share your thoughts on these tales of wealth creation in the comments below. Until next time, may your own endeavors lead you down the path of prosperity.